Hello friends and welcome back to the Negligent channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alienware all new Aurora laptop class. So friend, Alienware has announced two new models. Alienware is launching the Aurora class of laptop with versatility top of the mind, and this laptop adapt to any environment, and the Alienware lineup gets two more Aurora gaming laptop, both featuring the upcoming GeForce RTX 5060 GPU paired with the Intel CPU. So friend, the Alienware 16 and 16X. The laptop it comes with new 16-inch QHD blood display. It's designed to impress. Gamers will enjoy incredible smooth and responsiveness gameplay with a 240 Hz refresh rate and vibrant clarity of 500 nits of brightness, and the added precision of NVIDIA G-SYNC support. Whether it's fast-paced esport or impressive RPG, and the display deliver a premium experience across the brand. And Aurora offers flexible GPU configuration. Choose from GeForce RTX 30, 40, and 50 series laptop GPU alongside high-performance Intel processor and high-speed memory card, so it can handle everything live through your way. So, friend, the all-new Aurora laptop class, we are offering two options. The Alienware Aurora 16 is our entry-level model. Gamer seeking and more future-rich experience can scale up to Alienware 16X Aurora and select configuration of Alienware Aurora laptop. We launch in North America on May 8, 2025 and price starting at 1,149 US dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.